What could be Tesla's most expensive Gigafactory yet is on the way, and do you have any guesses where it will be? Well, if you guessed Mexico, you are in luck. Tesla is reportedly planning a $10 billion Gigafactory in Mexico. Tesla's sixth Gigafactory is likely going to the northern Mexican state of Nuevo León, with, get this, initial investments ranging from $800 million to $1 billion. According to a Mexican newspaper, the factory will cost Tesla as much as $10 billion after completion. This includes future expansions. Compare that to Giga Berlin, which cost about $5.5 billion. So yes, Giga Mexico could be Tesla's most expensive Gigafactory yet. It's reported that Elon Musk visited that area of Mexico in October, and we are likely to hear an announcement from Tesla any day now. Nuevo León shares a small border with Texas, which is of course home to Giga Texas and Tesla's company headquarters. According to Reforma, Elon had toured 3 Mexican states before settling on Nuevo León. Giga Mexico could also be the first time Tesla builds an electric car entirely in Mexico, and this is something that other automakers like GM with its upcoming Blazer EV and Ford with the Mustang Mach-E are already doing. The governor of Nuevo León, Samuel Garcia, said that the historic investments are supposedly among the largest in the state's history. Also, keep in mind the area where the Mexican plant will be built is just about a 7-hour drive from Austin, Texas. And check this out. Tesla was recently granted its own lane at the US-Mexico border crossing in Nuevo León, and Tesla already has suppliers in Nuevo León that include the Taiwanese companies Enflex Corporation, Quanta Computer, French firm, I'm not even going to try to say that, and a couple more. Seriously though, some of those names I know I'm gonna butcher, so I will just leave the link in the description of the articles that I'm sourcing this information from. But you know, when the governor of Nuevo León is posting about this, I think it's pretty safe to say that the official announcement is on the way. And I was surprised because I remember during a presentation a few months ago, Elon said something about, yeah, maybe we should look at Canada. So I think a lot of people were expecting that to be the next announcement. That's not to say that's also not in the works, but I want to know, does this surprise you guys that the next Gigafactory will likely be in Mexico? What are your thoughts? Leave a comment below. So if you guys like that story, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to Ellie in Space, and I'll see you in the next video.